Man, these things are cool. Alright, so I finally learned these things are called orbeez and not just spitballs. So, that's what I've been calling them. So, just trying to think of something to do with them. So I'm on the front porch. So, just gonna throw them on the ground. Oh. Alright. Kind of, well, not just breaking apart my hand. Cool. Do another one. That feels so weird. Can't really explain it though. Here, let's just grab several of them. Here's one. I think someone into the grass. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna microwave a few of them. Here, I'll skip one. Maybe for fizzling. Okay, so for 14 seconds. They're hot for sure. Okay, let's do it again. This time I'll keep it recording. Well, they're breaking apart. Starting to fall apart. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of it or not. There's a little bit of steam. I'm gonna skip forward a little bit. Oop, whoa. Guess you shouldn't microwave orbeez. Oh, I wonder if I got that on camera. It blew up right when I opened it. Alright, here, I better take care of this. Okay, so this is what I recovered. I have to take the glass thing out. I have to wash that now, but oh man, I was able to recover most of it. But yeah, lesson learned: don't microwave orbeez.